on average, every single minute around the world, 267 people are born and only 107 people pass away. This means that every minute on average, the world population is rising by 160 people. So here we have a graph of how much the population has risen over the years. So this is proof that this is actually happening, and quite dramatically. Now in theory this could cause a lot of problems. Think about it. More people, we need more food. More people, we need more land, and we can't just make the earth get bigger. More people, the more we are harming the environment for its supplies. But you see, although these may seem like problems initially, they aren't that big of a deal, and overpopulation isn't that much of a problem. We could simply just kill a whole heap of people, but just look around you and think about someone significant in your life. That person has their own mind, their own feelings, their own life, and imagine if they weren't there. How different would your life be? That's why we can't just reduce the population. Imagine if you were never born. Overpopulation is happening, and without getting rid of people's lives, or making them never exist, we can't fix it, so we just have to live with it. Now let's get back to my first point about the impact of overpopulation, that we need more food for all these new people. This isn't that much of a problem, because the more people we have, the more people we have to make food. So just think of it this way. Just say we have one farmer for every 50 people who is making those 50 people food. It's not that much of a problem if there's more people, because then we still have one person making food for over 50 people, because more people, more farmers. My second point of impact of overpopulation was that the more people we have, the more land we need, so all these people can have houses and a place to live. This also isn't a problem, because let's just take a look at Australia as an example. The lighter the colour of the area of the map, the less people that are living there. And if you see, look at all the space we have in Australia for more people to live in. If we simply just made more roads going through these places and slowly formed more towns and things around the centre of Australia, people can live there. Now, we understand that this could be quite a lot of work, but this is for the joy and happiness of people's lives. And my last point about the impact of overpopulation was the fact that the more people on the earth we had, the more we would need to harm the environment for supplies and things. But it will be a very long time until we have the dramatic problems about overpopulation affecting the environment. And until then, we'll most likely have science on our side to help with these problems. We already have artificial wood and things so we don't hurt trees, and I'm sure in the future we will have better ways of getting these supplies. We have already found a way of making a beef patty without killing a cow, so we can invent these kind of things. So overpopulation is not a problem, and there is a way to fix the negative effects of it.